Hello. This is a quick video that I'm making with this air conditioner that we got. This is the only one they had. It's about to start pouring rain out here, so it would do that now. I just got it out of the box outside. I've got to bring it in and replace the other air conditioner with this one. Take that one out of the window, put this one in it. One good news about the rain that's coming is this 106 degrees will finally cool off. And this one, when I went to the hardware store, I asked them about this brand, and they said it's great. You know, it's fine. Because he asked what brand I got, and I said this one. Because I was needing to get some oil for the zero-turn mower and do an oil change and an oil change and and put a new oil filter in. And so, man, the bugs are awful. Bugs are ridiculous outside and inside. They get inside the house and they're outside everywhere. Man. But I'm outside right now, but let's take a look at the inside of the air conditioner here. This is a very large unit. I can tell by the air conditioner is very large. It's got a much larger tank. I can tell that the tank is much larger. The copper is much more sturdy. It looks like the components actually are a lot better than the previous model, which was Frigidaire. We were used to the Frigidaire. Since my phone was out of memory, I've got to get another phone. I'm hoping to order a cheap phone and then get just online and then trade it in to get the credits for an S21 Ultra or something. And that way I'll just barely even have to pay anything for maybe just a few $100, maybe like $400, I guess. I think that might be how it works. That's what they said. Trade a newer model in and then just get that one. But so once I do that, I'll be able to have the latest version of the app for GE. But I had to download on APK Packet website. I had to download on the APK Packet website, download the packets of data, and then finally I had to go from 2017 all the way through 2020, and I think in January of 20 was one that actually was compatible with my phone, and it actually had the air conditioner in the app. So now I can set up the air conditioner through Wi-Fi, through the app on my phone. So there's power, sleep, Wi-Fi, filter, minus, plus, and that is where the temperature gauge is at, mode, fan speed, and turbo. Interesting, turbo mode. But this is a large fan. You'll see how large the fan itself is. This is the back, which is a typical air conditioner back here. That sounds like some kind of a horror movie. Alright, so since this is about ready, and then I've got to put these on.